A 5-week-old boy has become the first South Australian baby to die of whooping cough in almost a decade. Health authorities are under increasing pressure to provide a free vaccine to parents and carers as the state battles a record outbreak.
2-year-old Olivia Sterry is a whooping cough survivor.
Now she's recovered and she's healthy. She has a cough now and again, but nothing like it was.
But this week, another family wasn't so lucky. Their newborn son was admitted to hospital with whooping cough on Saturday. He died on Tuesday.
It's a tragedy, and my sincere condolences go out to the family.
This year, a record nearly 4,000 South Australians have contracted whooping cough. Half of all cases in infants are caught from parents. At 5 weeks, this baby was too young to be immunised. Authorities won't say if his parents passed it on.
It's a tragic situation, but it's really important for the community to realise that the more people who are vaccinated against whooping cough, the less spread there'll be of the disease within the community.
Doctors say booster shots for parents should be free.
In the eastern states, that's been offered free for a couple of years to make sure that parents, grandparents and anyone involved in looking after the care of the child will be vaccinated, and they can get free vaccine.
$120 to some parents is a lot of money, so to encourage parents to make sure that they do get immunised, I think it would be favourable.
SA Health says it's still waiting on recommendations from the federal government. The Women's and Children's Hospital is currently trialling a program which immunises babies against whooping cough at birth rather than at 8 weeks. But researchers say it's unlikely they'll see any results for at least a year. For now, booster shots for parents are available at your GP for around $50. Kate Freeburn, 10 News.